Hello everyone, this is Jagtar Shergal. So today I'm going to discuss regarding mortgage insurance. A lot of people when they buy home, they get mortgage insurance to cover their mortgage in case of unforeseen circumstances. Either you or your spouse or whoever your partner is cannot live, and so that the mortgage can be paid off. So there's two types of mortgage insurance. One is when you sign the papers, the bank or mortgage broker asks you to sign for mortgage insurance to cover your mortgage. It is actually on your life. It's almost like life insurance. So in that one, mostly amount is determined by the bank or the mortgage broker. How much is your mortgage? That's what you are covered for. And when you are getting your own insurance through us, like when I do with life insurance companies, uh, we we ask you to choose the mortgage amount, your insurance amount. Your mortgage might be $1 million or $800,000, but you might have some other expenses like your car loan or some other debts, credits, and your child's education expenses. So we do overall financial analysis and see what you require to have a coverage so that your family will have same kind of lifestyle what is right now, even if somebody from you pass away or no more. Second thing is that when you get a mortgage insurance through bank, they don't ask you all those hard underwriting questions like regarding your health. Very simple questions. When you say yes, they issue the uh, insurance policy on you, and when claim comes at that time, they go back to ask you all the hard questions if you qualify or not. Many times what happened, you don't qualify for claim because your health was not that good to get insurance. Whereas if you come through me or through any other insurance broker who do strictly mortgage insurance and life insurance, we do underwriting before we issue the policy. So we ask you very lengthy questions. Once you go through everything, and sometimes you have to go through medical exam or urine analysis, uh, depending on your age. But up to age 50, you can get up to $1 million coverage with the, giving your declaration of health in detail. Once we issue the policy with your detailed answers, and if claim comes, it's granted to be paid. There's no way about it unless you give us some fraudulent information, then definitely it will not be covered. Another thing is like when you are buying an insurance through us, mortgage, life insurance, you choose the beneficiary whom you want it to be. You can choose your wife or kids, or whichever way you decide. You can choose the beneficiary. Wherever when you go through the bank choose the beneficiary as the bank. So whenever somebody dies, the money goes to the bank, not to your family. And as the mortgage keep going with the years, you pay that monthly payment, your insurance is also going down. But here you can choose your own beneficiary, and the amount is also the same. And other thing is that you control your contract. So when you sell your home or you refinance your mortgage, you don't have to cancel the insurance and get new mortgage insurance or life insurance. Your insurance is continuous as long as you keep it, regardless you sell the home or change the mortgage. But if you get the mortgage insurance from the bank, when you sell the home or you change the mortgage, you have to get new insurance with a new carrier. At that time, let's say after 10 years, you sell the home and you're looking for insurance again, your insurance will be expensive based on your age at that time. Maybe your health will not be that good at that time, so it will be hard to get it. And even if you get it, it will be expensive. So better you get insurance uh, at once in the beginning, enough considering all your liabilities, not just mortgage, but your credit cards, your children's education, and your car insurance loans, or many other factors. So I suggest that getting a mortgage insurance through insurance agent who strictly deal with insurance is a much better idea. You get to tell a total picture of your financial situation and get the insurance based on that. So these are some of my tips. I'm doing this from a long time, so you can give me a call at 416-831-0215 for further information or to get insurance, or you can email me. My email is jagtar@ableinsurance.ca. Thank you for watching and enjoy, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, I'll say thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.